Well, welcome back, fellow YouTubers, toy and toy train buffs, to another quick running session out here on the Milwaukee Northwestern. Start off by thanking all my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Today it's all about Christmas in February. You're going, hey Ed, what are you, nuts? You're rushing it. I mean, even for Christmas in July, you're rushing it. Yeah, I know. But here's the deal. Here's a little story behind this this set. Last year, when I was planning my Christmas layout, I gave myself two options. Either I pull out all my or most of my ceramic buildings, ones that have been sitting here for 20 plus years or more, and never having been used hardly, and do a layout using those, and then run my Polar Express. That was the first option. The second option was running this K-line set, which came from Dave Griffin at D.A. Griffin's YouTube channel. I bought the entire set. It's K-line, K-1110 Santa's Yuletide Express Special from 1992. So I bought this thing from him. It arrived in great shape. I've got the box, track, transformer, paper, everything. Beautiful. And I got it, well, it did take a while to get here, and it came in the first week of December of last year. By then, two things were happening. A, I sort of committed myself to plan A, to the ceramic buildings and the Polar Express, and B, my health wasn't so hot. The box that this came in is quite large, and even though it's not heavy, at the time it was. In other words, I was feeling so bad that even that box was heavy for me. So I just let it sit out here. Okay. I've been out here in the cave the last few weeks, as you know, playing with trains. I've also been playing with my little green army men, my toys, and taking pictures of those, posting it on my toy blog, Toys and Stuff. I'll put the link to that in the description. And just having fun in general. So, okay, that's the story behind getting the set. I just pulled this thing out like a couple hours ago from the box. I unwrapped everything, took it out of the box, took pictures of the box, the whole 9 yards, you name it. I got it. I'm doing it. Doing it to it. And I came out here for a quick running session. And now I think with this being out, finally, I hope this coming Christmas I can use this set along with K-Line's Town of Yuletide Village sets. They made 3 of them, and I've got all 3. And maybe I could put together something that's K-Line special. But first, let's just watch this this Christmas train here on the last day of February 2023. You know what? I never did do a rundown of the cars. You've got this S2 diesel switcher, box car with operating doors, gondola with 5 canisters. The graphics are the same on both sides. Covered hopper and lighted caboose. And this is a little bit special to me in that 1992 was the year I really started getting into 3-rail O-gauge, having been in HL scale for many years. So it's kind of cool to get a train from that era. The engine does not have a bell or a horn. Just doesn't come equipped with it. That's fine. Well, I'll tell you what. Let's call it a wrap. Bring her on home. And that'll do for this short running session out here on the Milwaukee Northwestern. Again, thanks to all my new subscribers. Tschüss, adieu, auf Wiedersehen. Bye, y'all.